Hello and welcome here from Frankfurt, where I'm sitting together with Sascha from Vinci Energies. He's the head of digital, or the chief digital officer from Vinci Energies in Germany. And we are sitting together here because we just finished a workshop for the topic of innovation, because your plan is to set up a so-called innovation board to foster long-term innovation. So, Sascha, why are you doing this? So what is the ratio behind? So what is the plan behind this kind of innovation board?
Julian, thank you for the question. And first of all, thank you for the workshop today. And I think the results today show that it was necessary to set up such a board in this meeting that we had today. We think that we are pretty good in short-term innovation, if you want to call it innovation, when it comes from our business units that are close to the market, close to their customers. But we were missing a part that is long-term viewing in the future and preparing our organization for things to come. And therefore, we've built this, let's call it a joint strike force from people from HR, legal, people from the business, IT was involved. So we had quite a heterogeneous group. So congrats to you that you were able to moderate this today with actionable results. And we think that will, in the long term, help us to be prepared if the market changes, if new innovation arrives, so that our business units can profit from what we have prepared on this view. So, and I think it's necessary to have such a board today, because the speed of innovation, technology improvement, etc., is astonishing.
And that sounds like the start of a really long-term journey. So, what do you think is necessary to make this journey successful? Because I see innovation as one of the crucial topics of actually all organizations, especially and in particular in times like these crises and geopolitics and all the challenges we have out there. So what is your view, taking this workshop into account, but also taking your vision of innovation into account to make this a successful endeavor?
Okay, yeah, that's a complex topic, as we realized today.
That's why we are here.
Yeah, it would take hours to answer completely, I think. But one thing is to have different parts of the company working together and share the vision. So I don't think I spoil too much if I say that a crucial part of today was defining what innovation is for each member of the board. So that's actually the starting point. Sounds like, you know, you should know it, but everybody has a different view. Even if they are slightly different, we need to synchronize the view, and then we can start action from there. I also think it's necessary to have someone from the outside to take a look at the organization, to take a look at all the participants, and to figure out which way to go. And also, of course, an ecosystem is necessary. We, as a decentralized organization, we have an internal ecosystem that needs to be working together. My CEO says we need to stimulate the synapses. I think that's a crucial part of the work. But also the external network. We collaborate with startups and other companies that help us also to drive innovation. And that's part of the answer. Of course, if we take this long-term view, in the preparation, external partners are more focused on some parts of technology, of specific parts of innovation. And then when we work together and we bring them together with our internal ecosystem, that is beneficial and makes us, as you said, it makes us resilient for the crisis we have today. And I think innovation in itself, there is no use in it, but we need to make it work. And that's something we aim for, to really make innovation tangible, and that our workforce finally has something. From digitalization, innovation, all the topics we are stressing, there are steps, but we need to be better and we need to accelerate for the future.
That's a pretty good answer. And instead of like your 35 minutes you intended to present such an answer, it was, I think, very, very clear and very helpful. So thanks for that. Thanks for sharing these insights. Thanks for inviting me and us. And good luck on the journey.
Thank you, Julian.